Now we are discussing about advanced DWM. It's nothing but a process which has more than one activity that comes under advanced DWM. See, as a consultant or a functional consultant, whether it is standard or advanced, no matter. Point is, this is a license point of view. SAP provided EWM on free of cost. Whatever procedures and whatever process provided by SAP on free of cost, that is called the standard EWM, and for which SAP charges some amount or license fees that comes under advanced. The other way, whatever we can execute an ERP warehouse, if you are going to implement the same in EWM, that is on free of cost, and that is standard EWM. Beyond that, if you need or if our business needs the procedures, then that comes under advanced. Okay, consultant point of view, you can say if any process has more than one activity, that can be considered as advanced. Of course, apart from this, you can say ad management, labor management, and so on. Some other also. Okay, and let's see. We are going to start today complex inbound delivery process as a part of advanced extended warehouse management, and this we already discussed in previous session. Okay, today we are going to start configurations and execution. This process, this entire process requires 4 to 5 sessions. One by one we are going to learn. Why 4 to 5 sessions? This is not a single topic. This is the combination of topics. So we know that unloading. So here in this process, we are going to include unloading, deconsolidation. This is nothing but unpack and repack. Then value added services. And then we'll use LOSC also here. That is layout oriented storage control. And finally, put away. So in my example, I am going to add these 5 activities in our system. Okay. So you can add some more activities this process, or you can reduce some activities from this process. So quite possible after completion of this complex process, you'll get to know how to do the combinations, right? Now come to the picture, right? For unloading one session we required, for deconsolidation one session, for VAS one session, for LOSC one session. Combination of all of this is one session. That's the reason we need 4 to 5 sessions. Okay. And advanced DWM supports only HUM. Without HU, without packing specifications or packing, you cannot run any process in advanced DWM. So Handling unit management is mandatory for these complex scenarios or advanced DW. So remember it. So we already completed handling unit management, some part. The remaining part we are going to learn these complex scenarios of inbound delivery and complex scenarios of outbound delivery. Okay. So different types of packing, whatever it is, we are going to learn it. Okay. Today we are going to concentrate on load. Okay. Under this complex scenario, we are going to take the combination. I mean to say here, see, if you have a product, prod one, this is small product, for example, less weight. It doesn't require, I mean, business point of view, it doesn't require any unloading, decon, VAS or LOIC something. Simply they can execute it. So they can go with simple inbound delivery. Okay. Suppose we have brought to another product. This is a heavy product. Heavy product means a heavy weight. Okay. So definitely some equipment you have to use to unload the process, to unload this equipment. Okay. So unloading is mandatory and you received only one unit. So there is no matter of deconsolidation. And this is a huge product. Of course, whatever else it is, value added services are not needed. And the LOA is also not needed. Only thing we need unloading and put away. Okay. Suppose the other product, product 3. This may need unload and it may need decon and this may need directly put away. This is the other case. So all products no need to go through all this sequence, right? So in this case you can construct a different combination. Unloading plus put away. Put away is mandatory because you have to place the product into a bin. So this is mandatory one. With this, how many combinations you can take? Put away, unloading, unloading plus put away, deconsolidation plus put away, value added services plus put away, LOSC cannot be. So to do LOSC, any one of the step is required. Okay, unloading, LOSC and a put away, and deconsolidation, VAS, LOSC and put away, VAS, LOSC and put away, or VAS and put away. So such a way you can take permutations and combinations. Okay, I'm going to show you one or two cases like this combinations, and then you can work on it. Right. So today I'm going to show you the combination for the product unload plus put away. If suppose a product has required, the first case we already practiced, you know it, simple inbound delivery process. The second case is this, okay, unload and put away. How to do this? Okay, we are going to learn. Okay, put away, we know. Put away is nothing but moving product from GR area to final destination bin. We know it. Unloading. What is unloading? Come to here. This part is unloading. Moving product from truck to GR area or GR zone is called unloading. For this we need an activity. For this we need a task. For this, we need a warehouse order. Okay. Ultimately, we need a document, right? To create a warehouse document for any moment, we need source and destination details. Source and destination. Physically, we know that source is the truck or a vehicle or a transportation unit. Destination is GR zone. For the destination, we need GR zone, that is storage type, section and bin combination. Okay. And here also we need source. What is source? A storage type, a storage section, and a storage bin. Do we have it? And this truck or a vehicle or a container will not be a storage type. That is transportation unit. Correct. So how to do this? So by seeing this example, this truck is entered into the gate, entered into the door. Okay. So logically, the product is moving from door to GR area. From door to GR area. So if you consider the source is door instead of the truck, you will get the solution. Okay. So what SAP said, moving a product from door to GR area is called unloading process. Right? That's the one. I hope you understand. So for this, we need to create a door and then we can execute the process. Remember, while constructing any complex scenario or any scenario, three things you have to remember. One, arc structure. Two, logic. Logic is the combination of warehouse process type plus strategies plus POSC configuration. Okay. Process oriented storage control configuration. This comes under the logic. And the third one is master data. Without master data, you cannot do anything. You know it. Correct. For this scenario, unload and put away. For put away, we no need to do any arc structure. It is already available. That is moving product from GR area to the bin. Correct. We have GR area and we have storage type sections and bins. No issue. For unloading, source is the door, destination is GR area. GR area relevant configurations are already available. Then door relevant org structure is not available. So not available means not yet configured. So first we have to configure this. Okay. So this door can be considered as a org element. Let's start. I am going to create a door now. Door is nothing but a bin. Anything is nothing but a bin. Come to extended warehouse management, master data, and define storage type. And in real time, you may have dozens of doors, maybe 10 doors or 20 or 30 or 40, any number of doors. Okay, you can create any number of doors, no issue. For this example, I am going to define a door, one door. Execute it. Go to new entries. And we started with S310, right? S310, I would like to say door 1. Okay, and this is important. Storage type role. Storage type role. For this, you can take standard. For this, you can take doors also. Okay, if you take this one, this will be useful for other process also. Okay, while creating a storage type to define a door, only this is the important role. The remaining all are STs. Warehouse number, definition, description. Fine. And then any storage type other than standard storage type, other than inventory storage type, we need four configurations. That is confirm put away, confirm removal, put away rules, general, capacity check, no capacity check. These are common configurations for all storage type other than other than standard storage type. Hit enter and save it. Okay, this is common, so I'm not going to give screenshot for this. I am giving screenshot for only the upper part. Save it. As usual, we need to create a section. This is not mandatory, but it is always good if you create. Go to new entries. S310. Storage type. Door 1. Section, whatever you want to write. Description, I would like to write door 1. Save it.
Shiva, one question when any TU comes in any warehouse, is that TU and door assignment? Is this kind of a automated one or it's a manual generally?
Both are there. So
Okay.
there is a process which is called door determination. Okay.
Mhm.
So if your ad management and TM is already implemented, then you can go to door determination procedure also. Otherwise, you can do manually.
Okay.
Yeah. So once storage section is created, create a bin /n /scwm and S01. Okay. S310 door 1. Hit enter. Your storage type is door 1. Storage section 0001. Okay. So this is what we did here. Okay, this is part of org structure. So, what I said, if you want to develop or design or construct a scenario, three things we have to consider. First one is org structure. So, org structure point of view, now we have the door, we have GR area, and we have storage type and bins. So, for this process, unloading and put away org structure is okay, right? It is available now. Then the second one is called logic. Under logic, you have to consider three things. One is WPT. Okay, sorry. Yeah, under logic. And then POSC configurations, and then strategies. Okay. Once you maintain this, you have to update in master data and under master data topic. So these three you have to take. Since we have different products for different procedures, we also require different warehouse process types also. Okay. Now I'm going to create a warehouse process type for our complex scenario. Go to SPRO, IMG, Extended Warehouse Management, cross pro settings, warehouse task, and define warehouse process type. I'm using this warehouse process type for inbound delivery only. So this is similar to the warehouse process type which we already have. Okay, S310. So you already have one process type. Okay, I need one more process type for inbound delivery or for put away. So just copy it, change warehouse process type number, and here I would like to say it is for POSC. Okay, the same, right? So earlier we have 1010 warehouse process type. For that, source storage type is 9010. What is 9010? GR zone. But come to here, we are doing process starts from unloading. Correct? So, what is the first step? Door. So, it should not be GR area. Correct? Product has to come to the door, not to the GR area. So, here storage type should be door. Okay? And storage bin door on. Okay? While copying the standard one, we have to take care of this. Okay? Save it. We are going to use different warehouse process types for different materials. Okay? To differentiate this, we need one determination, process type determination control indicator. Define control indicators for determining warehouse process type. So different process types we have for inbound delivery. One is only for put away, one is the combination of unloading and put away, and one is unloading VAS and put away. So different process types are there, right? So to identify or to determine those process, we need one indicator. Okay, so that you are going to define here. Okay, execute it. Go to new entries. This is only definition. S310, and whatever you want to write here, you can write. Let me write one number, whatever you want. It is two character fill, anything you can write. Okay, and description. Right now, POSC for IBD, inbound delivery. Okay, so this is how to maintain in master data. Okay, fine. And then whenever you create a warehouse process type, we have to determine it. Correct? So we have to assign that warehouse process type to the document type. So assigning warehouse process type to a document type is nothing but determination. Correct? Execute it. You can go to new entries, or you already have one configuration. This is the one. The same you can use it. Copy, and to determine process type. Just now we created one determination indicator. Okay, so we have to maintain, and warehouse process type is 1011. So for this warehouse process type, or this process type, I am going to use for this determination of the process. Okay, as usual, this has to assign to inbound delivery document type. This is our warehouse.
Siba, what is that process indicator?
To differentiate process. So we discuss,
Okay.
we have different products and different procedures. One product
Mhm.
requires only simple inbound delivery. The other product requires unloading and put away process. Okay, how to differentiate these two? Which has to go to unload and which doesn't require to go to unload. So to differentiate this process, we have to maintain a indicator, and that indicator will maintain in master data. So wherever you maintain,
Okay.
let me show you here directly. Suppose slash row. Suppose this is a product. Okay, this product required unloading process.
Warehouse number S205.
Yeah, no problem. We'll take our material. Suppose this product requires unloading process. Come to here, you maintain this indicator. If you maintain this process type determination indicator for this product, so this product always goes to the door for unloading process. Okay, if you do not maintain this indicator here, then this product will go for simple inbound delivery. So stock will go to GR area.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so such a way.
Yes.
So I have given only one example and a number of examples. One product requires quality inspection, one product may not require quality inspection. One product requires value-added services, one product, the other product may not require. So based on this, you have to create a different process and different combinations and different warehouse, process type determination indicators as well. Okay. After completion of 10 sessions, you'll have comfortability on this. Okay. Anyway, let's continue this. SPRO. Okay. Under logic, we have to think about one is warehouse process type, second one is POIC, that is process oriented storage control configurations. Okay, and this also available in cross process settings and warehouse tasks. And here is the one, define process oriented storage control. This is nothing but the combination of activities which you want to design. Okay, this is the next step you have to do. Right. When we are discussing about process oriented storage control, this has four steps. Okay, four steps. The first one, what are all the activities that you are including into the process? Okay, so for one scenario, we need unload and put away. The other scenario, we may need unload, VAS, and put away. So, in the first scenario, two activities are there. In the second scenario, three activities are there. Correct? How many activities you have? All those activities you have to define it. Okay. And the activity is called here external storage process step. External storage process step is nothing but an activity. Okay. And here, these external storage process steps are standardly available, like IB01, IB02, IB03, IB04. So these are available in standard. Of course, someone deleted from my system. You don't need to worry. I'm going to show you through configurations. My point is, these are at client level. External steps are at client level. That means when you are implementing your EWM in real time, you can use whatever standards are available because the configurations are at client level. Okay, so external steps are defining at the client level. You can use those external steps for any warehouse. Okay, fine. And external process step is nothing but an activity. Okay, and this, and I'm going to create our own external steps here. Okay, what is that, or how to define? Let me take 310 u. So I'm going to define one activity. S310 is our warehouse. For identification, 310 u for unload. Okay, this is for S310. While defining this, whatever activity you are defining, that is up to you. Any number you can give. This external step should be assigned to an internal process step. So these internal process steps cannot be created, cannot be deleted, cannot be edited. There are some internal process steps which is given by SAP, and exactly 15 internal process steps are there. Okay, these 15 can be seen in F4 option. These are the one. Okay. Based on the industrial requirement, SAP has given this. You cannot identify any other activity than this. You cannot identify 16th activity. There in any warehouse, you can use only these 15 activities. Okay, that's the reason he has given restriction. Anyway, so what we are doing here, we are doing inbound delivery process, and for the inbound delivery unloading we are trying to define here. So in internal process step you can identify unloading. Here is the one. Okay, you select it, and this is the direction. Direction means is it for inbound delivery or outbound delivery or something else. Okay, but for external step, system determines or system decides which direction you are going to do. That works based on whatever you selected internal warehouse process type. Let's see, press enter, there is no change. And here in the directions you have these many options. Okay, so many options are there, but you should not select anyone. This will be decided by the system based on your internal process step. Okay, we need some more, right? Yeah, and today's target is unloading and put away, correct? So my second activity is put away. 310 p I'm going to take here. Okay, so the second activity is put away, and you have to select internal process step for put away. Go to F4 option, select put away. Okay, now I'm going to press enter. See, is there any change in direction? See, put away and internal movement. Okay, so that will be taken care by the system always. Step, what is step one? We have to define activities. The other way, in SAP terminology, first you have to define external steps, or you can use the existing standard external steps as well. Okay, the next one. This is warehouse specific, that is storage process definition. Okay, what you are going to define, what process you are going to define, that is this. Okay, double click on this, go to new entries, and this process, this business process belongs to warehouse, that is warehouse specific configurations. Okay, and give here the description, whatever you want. Let me say INB. This is inbound delivery. Okay, and right now I am creating this. If I say INB, you may feel it is document type. Let me say POSC only. It allows only 4 characters. Okay, for POSC, and this is for unloading and put away. First unloading and then put away. But direction should be selected by you here. It is not system driven. Come to here. Three options are there: put away, stock removal, and internal movement. We are doing this for put away. Okay, that means put away means inbound delivery. Okay, so this is the configuration you have to maintain here. Okay, then select it, and here assign storage process steps. Double click on this, go to new entries, and here you have to maintain sequence of activities. Okay, by seeing this you have two activities. One is unloading, the other one is put away. Okay, which is the first activity and which is second activity? So we know that first activity is unload. So we maintain here 310 unload. Okay, the other one is 310 put away. Okay, just hit enter. So the sequence number: first activity is unloading, second activity is put away. Okay, you just maintain a flag. This is auto warehouse task creation. Once this unloading process is completed, system will generate a task for put away. So if you maintain this, it will create it. If you do not maintain this, you have to create task manually. Okay, fine. And then save it first. And then fourth step is process oriented storage control. This is similar to your warehouse process type. This is similar to your warehouse process type. Either warehouse process type or this process oriented storage control. Any one only you can define. You cannot define both. Okay, right. Here also you can see source and destination details for every activity. Okay, you have to define or you have to maintain activities and their source and destination in this place under process oriented storage control. Okay, your warehouse number is 310. Your first activity unload 310 U, and the process type you are using for this is 1011. Okay, now my question is, do we need to maintain source for this? Not required. Why? /o spro img extended warehouse management process settings warehouse task. Come to define warehouse process type, position as 310, and we are discussing about this process type. Source is mentioned here, right? Since source is already maintained for this process time, okay, you no need to maintain source. Okay, right. Destination. Do we know where it has to go? We are planning to move the product to GR zone. Did we mention anywhere in configurations? For this warehouse process type, the product always has to go to this? No, correct? So here we have to maintain the destination. What is that? GR area. Section. Storage bin. Okay, destination means the combination of storage type, storage section, bin, correct? We maintain it. And the second activity is put away. For put away, our warehouse process type is 1010, correct? Do we need to maintain source for this? Not needed. Why? Source we already mentioned here. Do we need to maintain destination here? No. Destination will be taken care by strategies. Correct? Destination bin is not static and this is always dynamic or variable. Correct? So thousands of bins are there and strategies will identify the right and suitable bin for the product for the put away. Correct? So destination you should not maintain here. But put away we required, that is this. And here external step is 310p. Correct? Just you maintain it. You don't need to maintain source or destination. Okay. So what we did is called POSC configuration. Okay. Under the logic, we know that we have to define warehouse process types and POSC configurations. Correct? And then whatever you mentioned, POSC configurations, the POSC for the POSC, you have to maintain, your warehouse process type should be mentioned in your warehouse process type under storage process here. Okay. So then only this warehouse process type is applicable for the particular POSC. Okay. Select it. Okay. Just I have added this. Okay. Save it. With this, POSC configurations and warehouse process type configurations are done. The next what you have to do, you have to work on strategies. Back from here, back from here. Come to this. Strategies belongs to goods receipt strategies. And everything is same. Just we need to add our warehouse process type to our inbound delivery strategies. Okay, execute it. We already have inbound delivery strategy, that is this. The same you can copy. I am going to use this strategy for other warehouse process type which we define now. That's it. No changes. Now, strategy is also completed. The next step is maintain master data. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll create a new material for this process. Okay. So where do we create? We'll create this always in ERP. Now connect to ERP. I'm M01. Okay. So I created one material. As usual, we need to extend this material to other two storage locations. Slash and MMSC. S310. Maintain it to save it. As usual, we have to migrate this product to other two storage locations and then we have to migrate it to EWM. Go to CFM1. Execute it. Select. Go to CFM2 transaction. Execute. Activate. Execute. Okay, that's it here. Now come to EWM /n/scwm mat1. Check whether this product is available or not. Yeah, it is updated or migrated to EWM. Click on create. Check packaging data. So this is updated. Why do we check this? Because advanced EWM and complex scenarios supports only handling unit management, warehouse data, and here you have to maintain process type determination indicator. Select it. As usual, maintain put away control indicator. And save it. I'll give you the screenshot. So here only this is important. So I'm giving only the screenshot. Okay. Save it. Think everything looks good. We'll try to execute a scenario for unloading and put away process. If there are any errors, we'll rectify there itself. Come to ERP. I'm creating one purchase order. Okay. S310. Give star. Go to F4 option. Enter. This is the one. Okay. Let me take some quantity. And ROD1 storage location. First time you have to maintain info records. And confirmation control key as well. Save it. Okay, this is your purchase order. create inbound delivery notification. We know that this process supports only with HU. So create a HU. Now back. Save it. So the shipping notification saved and distributed to EWM as well. Now go to EWM. Use the transaction PRDI, the same transaction. Change default values. It's good. Come to notification. Select inactive. Execute it. First activate it. Then come to inbound delivery. Till to this point, our regular practice only. Okay. Now the first task is unloading. Let's see whether system is going to create unloading or not. Click on warehouse task. Where is it? I said this supports only handling unit management. So the task can be seen here in handling units. Click on this. Here is the one. The first step is working well. It is showing that the storage type, source storage type is door one. Okay, let's go to create. Now see here, system is proposing to move the product from door one to GR zone to this handling unit. Moving a product from door to GR zone is unloading process, correct? Yeah. Now we'll save this document. Okay. The remaining process I would like to show you in monitor. Okay. I'm copying this warehouse request. The warehouse request is nothing but inbound delivery document number. You know it. Let's go to /n/scwm monitor. Okay. What we are doing? Inbound delivery. Double click on warehouse task. Give here inbound delivery document number, which is nothing but a reference warehouse request number. Execute it. So there is an activity. What is that? Unloading activity. Okay. So I'm going to execute unloading process now. So moving the product from here to GR zone. So from here itself, click on this, move the product in background. The task has confirmed and you can see the status also. Okay. So actually, whenever this task is completed, whenever the product moved from door to GR area. Okay, another task should be created. Okay, but here our PPF actions are disturbed a lot. That's the reason this is stuck up in PPF actions. That means in queues. Okay, let me show you that. SMQ2, execute it, scroll it down. You can see warehouse task, HU task is stuck up into this place. You can see here 01023 and your HU also 1023. So this is ready but not updated. That's it. So we don't have any issue. Just select and execute. No empty bins. Bins are not available. Okay. /o slash scwm ls01. So what are the bins available so far? I think we created only one bin. That's the reason. Let me create. Let's create one more bin. Now go back from this. Reset, select and execute. See, this is done. So since there are no bins, it is not updated. Now come to your monitor, refresh it. See, the second task is created automatically. Okay, what is that? Put away. Moving this HU from GR zone to bin number 2. So execute it here itself. Complete put away process. Done. Okay. So here the point is, when I take the product, this one, this is proposing from unloading and put away process. Okay. If you select the other product, let me show you that one. /n me21n. Suppose this is the material. Okay. Save it. VL31N. Just save it. So where it has to go? This has to go direct simple inbound delivery. Come to notifications, give the document number, execute it, activate it, do inbound delivery, warehouse task. Here you can see where it is going. So this is triggering 1010 process type. If you click on create, and it is creating product warehouse task, and see directly this is moving to GR zone to be number 3. Okay, so where you maintain the differentiation in product master, in material master, we maintain process type determination indicator. So this way you can create a number of procedures. Okay guys, and that's it for the day. If you have any question, I'll try to answer. Fine. See you on Monday at 8:45 a.m. Okay. Have a nice weekend. Thank you all.